Google Bard is a cutting-edge AI tool that acts like chat-based AI assistant that replies to your questions and requests. Fueled by the power of Gemini, a massive language model, Bard answers questions, writes articles, solves problems, translates text, and does much more, acting as your personal assistant for research, writing, and even entertainment. It is the biggest competitor to ChatGPT, currently the most popular AI chat application. This is a short video tutorial on how to start using Google Bard as complete beginner. First, to access Google Bard website, you can type bard.google.com in your browser. Or, you can type Google Bard directly in your browser search bar and click on the first link. After getting into the Google Bard's main page, you have to log in using a Gmail account. Either create a new one or an existing account. After you create it and log in, it is finally the time to start using Google Bard. In the middle of the main page, you can see some information about Google Bard, such as examples, some of its capabilities. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a text bar. This is the main place where you will start using Google Bard. Here you can type any question you want and expect a proper answer. Before that, you might want to switch to the dark color mode if it is more convenient to you. Just click on the settings from the top right icon and select the dark mode. Let's type a simple question. Can you suggest for me some healthy foods to eat? By asking a question, we entered into a new question/answer dialog with Google Bard, which will try to write an answer. At the end of the answer, there is a thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. You can use those buttons to send feedback to the system whether the answer is relevant or not, current or not. So in the future, the system will use users' feedback to improve the accuracy of its answers. Now, if you are happy with answer, but didn't like the overall style, you can use the submenu near the thumbs buttons to specify the style of Google Bard's answering format, such as shorter or longer or more simple style. The system will try to provide you with a similar answer, but with the specified style and form. Now let's try to regenerate the same answer, but in a simpler style. Moreover, since we are still in the same conversation, we can ask a follow-up question, such as, "Can you give me more suggestions?" The system will remember that we are in the topic related to healthy food, therefore it will continue answering within the scope of the relevant subject. Now, let's start a new conversation and ask the same question. As you can see, the system doesn't know what more suggestions mean, because we are now in a completely new topic. We can go back to our previous conversation about healthy foods from the history panel on the left side and continue our questions related to healthy foods. This was a simple example on how to use Google Bard as complete beginner. Now type some examples similar to what you have learned in this video, or ask a mathematical question or ask him to write a poem about a certain topic, and get familiar with the system. The skies is your limit. More advanced tutorials on the way soon. Therefore, subscribe and keep in touch. Bye for now.